you can see I am putting up plenty of content and plenty of views. Look at how hard it is to make watch time. So don't get discouraged. I can tell you that. And this is something I probably am going to have to stop watching. Because here I am. My channel in the last 7 days got 1,980 views in 1 week. And that brought me 73 watch time hours. And I picked up 15 new followers. Oh my gosh. Look how hard it is. And I struggle all the time. But I'm not giving up, guys. I'm still in here. This is a 1 minute short video to say, don't give up, keep hanging in there. Eventually you'll make it.